Hey friends, Zen Cooney here. Primal Nature Playtime, Kettlebell. I'm going to do one of my favorite moves, which is the punch and rip. Then I'm going to take it figure eight to a hold, and then back up for punch and rip, figure eight to hold on the other side. So one of the keys about this one is make sure you're using your leg drive and getting your rotation going a little bit for you. Don't try and make this all up in the arms, otherwise you're losing a lot of the benefit. So let's take a look at it. By the way, yes, I am purposely standing on two different rocks, uneven and so on and so forth. Why? It just makes it more fun for me because it's more challenging that way, more neurologically challenging. So let's enjoy all the possibilities that we have when we're training outside. So we got our basic clean. Now we're going to do a punch and a rip. So I want to turn, use this leg to punch out, and use my rotational here and this leg to put myself back into position. Then through the legs, up and around, and I'm ready to go the other side. So I load one leg, push with that one, and push again. Bring it around and through the leg. And that's it. So, powerful move. I had to stop there because my left leg got some old injuries from back in my motorcycle and martial arts days. So I could feel it was starting to get a little tweaked. So I don't want to create any injuries because that would interfere with my having more and more and more and more and more fun days of primal nature play consecutively. In other words, every single day I trained mindfully, and part of my mindfulness was, okay, this is a little tweaky, stop. Do the same when you're training. Always listen to your body, every moment, every repetition.